Hello artists, how are you doing? Stephanie once again coming to you here from the banks of the Trinity River. Ozzy's out playing with his buddies, so he is not here to say hello. We are about halfway through with creating our first, or no, that's not our first altered book, creating our very own book. I mean, we are making an amazing project here. Remember that all of these backgrounds started out with the background challenge that we did in April, and now we are going through, of course, the April background series. It's all about experimenting with different mediums. So that's what we did in April, and now since then we've been working on these pages. The front cover was done with cardboard, copper tape, rust paste, and paint. Pretty wild. And so this is how I kind of have this set up. Here, of course, is this collage. All of these are either on YouTube or Patreon, and are metallic, that was metallic gouache. This is just a wonderful collage. This was the calligraphy ink. Our Georgia O'Keeffe page, our hummingbird, our Day of the Dead, Embrace a Beautiful Chaos. This will be coming up here on Wednesday, I think. Our chalk pastels, another collage, another collage. Our embossed butterfly. Now, like I said, all of these videos are on the Creating Our Own Book playlist, or they have been done on Patreon. So if you don't see all the numbers on Creating Our Own Book, they are available over on Patreon. I do post 2 videos a week on Patreon. So if you guys are interested in seeing more artwork, please, please, please hop on over there. Never doubt your instinct. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. So this front I obviously need to finish. This is just been posted, I think. I need to finish that guy. And then we have this one. So that is where we are at. I think that was it. Oh, nope, I've got that one finished too. So, I've got all of these guys to finish up. And here is our book so far. Now, I have not bound any of these together because I don't know if this is where I'll want them at the end, you know. This background was made from the drop cloth from this page. So all the colors match gorgeously. Gorgeous! This is really an amazing project, and I am so happy that you guys have been coming along with me. Some of you are working on this project over on Messy Hands. You are doing fabulous. Keep up the excellent work. Remember, there are no rules for your collages. Just put something that has meaning to you in it. That is what this is all about. Making something, I mean, it is almost like an art journal, because, you know, these are my favorite images that I've saved for years, some of my favorite sayings that I have, and I'm making sure that what I'm putting in here is very relevant to me. All right. Oh, I've got some work to do. We're still going to have probably a couple more months of these little paintings and showing you how to collage and put on beautiful poetry, you know. All right, well, I hope you guys are enjoying the process as much as I am, and please hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, please be sure to leave comments and the likes, guys. They really do make a difference with YouTube's algorithms. It really does help out the channel. Patreon links are down in the comments, as well as any Amazon or Arteza links. All right, guys, I hope you're doing well. We will chat soon. I love you bunches.